On this episode of Old School Monster Life, we gotta pay some bills. So remember a couple episodes ago I said I'd do whatever I can to get earthquake in the trailer and down the road. Well, I took a job that I'm not really looking forward to, but it's time we start it. And it has some ties to the monster truck world. Mr. Echternkamp with Venom Monster Truck owns a construction company. And he has a dump truck that he really likes and is very useful. But it had some issues one day, and now I have to fix those issues. Well, you know, sometimes bad things happen to good trucks, and even though this is the wrong brand for Shaker Racing, we have to fix the truck from when it broke down. Yeah. It's a crispy critter. But I guess we better get this party started and get it cleaned out. Well, here's the inside of it. And I only got one thing to say about all of this. Oh boy. Found the ECM. I wonder if it's any good. Yummy! Yeah, now we're making some headway. It doesn't look as tragic. Still got to get the dash and steering column out, but it's looking better. Not a bad day's work, but I've had enough. We're gonna call it quits for the day. I got about half of the burn catastrophe out of the cab. And, oh, Denver, you're going to owe me big for this one. Hey, I figured I'd close out this episode. We're walking out back to Mungo. Remember I showed you he was still sitting here. The new owner said he was coming by this weekend to pick them up and drive them back to Florida. So I threw the batteries on charge, and they've been charging on a low charge all day. So we're going to see what the old boy will do. And I told you I hadn't started this truck in, well, since last October. So let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. Building air pressure. Ridiculous oil pressure. It's charging. Tack works. Not quite a year. We're almost to September, so 10.5 months this thing has been sitting, and it started like that. This is a good truck. Anyway, that's the end of this episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions, comments down below. Tell me what you think, and we'll see everybody down the road.